All right, guys, short and sweet tonight. It's ping pong night, so I'm not going to be around long. The SPY, it was FOMC day. I absolutely loathe the FOMC days. And you can see what just sideways chopped, then the whoosh, and then we ended up closing kind of strong. But they're just, for me, terrible trading environment. Other people love it. I've never liked it. I've never had a feel for it. I do want to give a hat tip to Sunil. I hope I'm saying your name right, on PUMP. Call of the day, because he recognized early, that it was strong, right? And then it was flagging right here, and he called it over this early high right there at 975, which the trigger was right there, and the stop was only 15 cents below, right below the previous candle. And it went from 975 to 1128, so over $1.50 move on 15 cents risk. That's fantastic. Great call there. And then I'm going to go right into what we're watching for tomorrow. Remember, we're day traders, so none of this is investment stuff. I'm focusing on in-play stocks to hopefully trade intraday tomorrow. All right, so you've got CNC had nice volume, I think, on earnings, and you've still got possible recent high here. Then it's up into the gap, so it could be a continuation day tomorrow. UROY, one of the uranium plays, put in an inside day after yesterday's pop. VTYX, also an inside day after yesterday's pop, and then you've got another recent high very close above. We like that. CPSH actually reported in after hours, so it's trading right now. The high of day was 440. It's trading about there. It's trading at about 440 right now, but that's an interesting daily chart. It's got another catalyst above there at that 489. Also had good news yesterday before earnings, right? NPWR, nice volume, trying to curl up. WKEY, big move yesterday, gave a lot of it back, and then today it's right back up. I'm not oblivious to the fact that it's extended from the moving averages, but I still want to watch it. There's nothing pretty about the CYCU chart, but it had nice volume, and if you look at it on intraday basis, they had a nice sounding headline that popped it. Unfortunately, it became one of those halters, and I generally, when I see that they halt, I generally don't trade them. It's also selling off a bit in after hours, but I do want to keep an eye on it tomorrow because of that move. Today on news, Joby kind of in a coil here, and it's trying to break this little trend line from here to here to here. A little extra volume today. Not a great setup, but I want to watch it. NESR also extended from the moving averages, but big volume today and a pretty strong close. What else do I have? AESI, big day, right? CMBM gave a lot of its gains back. It was a serial halter. I couldn't hate the halt rule more. I just could. There's no, it helps nobody, but this video isn't for me to rant about it. You all know how I feel about it, but all these little gaps were the stupid halts, right? Anyway, look, it closed down here, and then in after hours, traders said, ha, you can't halt it now, and they ripped it. Probably some pullback trades in after hours, but I'm busy doing this, and again, it's ping pong day. Certainly worth watching tomorrow. A few more here. UMAC drone play, gapped up, sold off, and is right back up near recent highs, and then another high not too far to the left. We like that. SYM, very close to recent highs on a strong volume day. ASST, I'm just going to put on bounce watch again, had that big day, and now we've got a couple days lower. And then DVLT also goes on bounce watch. Big ripper here, and now you've got a few days lower into that area between the 8 and the 20. Pretty decent place for a bounce setup for tomorrow. All right, anyway, that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the pre-market. Have a great night.